The box is simple, clean lines, the image of your chosen color right on the front, and product. Details printed neatly on the back in English, Chinese, Thai, and Vietnamese. This year, Apple even changes the regional code to ZPA. A subtle but unmistakable sign of its official distribution. Inside, you find the essentials: just a USB-C cable, a SIM eject tool, and a slim instruction booklet. No frills, no extras, just Apple's confidence that the phone itself tells the entire story. And that story begins the moment you lift the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max out of the box. At first glance, the colors speak louder than any spec sheet ever could. Silver returns like a polished memory, bright, clean, and effortlessly blending into the larger Apple ecosystem. Place it next to a Mac Studio, a MacBook Pro, or the Studio Display, and the harmony is instant. Natural light grazing across the back creates a subtle shimmer, elegant without shouting, refined without trying. Then there's orange, not just any orange, cosmic orange, a tone Apple has never dared before. It's bold, loud, unapologetically different. Hold it up in a crowd, and it refuses to blend in. Outfit? Irrelevant. The phone is the outfit. For creators, extroverts, and anyone ready to make a statement. This is not just a color, it's an identity. Side by side, they tell two very different stories. One is timeless, understated, designed to vanish into the ecosystem. The other is vibrant, daring, meant to be noticed. Neither is wrong. The real question: which story do you want your phone to tell? Holding the device is another revelation. After titanium and stainless steel in the Pro line, Apple shifts to aluminum. At first, some may call it a downgrade, but in hand, aluminum feels cool, light, and unexpectedly practical. The curves fit the palm, the weight distributes evenly, and, most importantly, the metal dissipates heat more effectively. Whether you're gaming, recording long 4K clips, or simply scrolling under the sun, the phone feels calmer. Less strained, more natural to hold. The display continues the 120 Hz promotion legacy, but with a crucial improvement. A new anti-reflective coating and boosted brightness transform outdoor readability. Text stays sharp, colors hold their contrast, and sunlight becomes less of an enemy. On the 6.3-inch Pro, the size feels compact, yet productive, perfect for editing photos or reading on the go. On the 6.9-inch Pro Max, it's expansive, cinematic, designed for multitasking, long reads, or building entire projects without compromise. Under the hood, the A19 Pro chip and redesigned vapor chamber cooling unlock a new kind of stability. Heavy gaming, extended 4K 120 video capture, or on-device AI tasks no longer push the phone to its limits as quickly. Performance holds steady, heat spreads evenly, and the experience feels trustworthy. For professionals, the high-speed USB-C port with USB 3 remains a blessing, moving massive ProRes files to an external drive in minutes instead of hours. Cameras, as always, are the headline. This year, all three rear sensors rise to 48 megapixels, bringing consistency across focal lengths. The telephoto lens, a true 100mm equivalent, offers crisp 4x optical zoom and even extends to 8x with near optical quality. For portraiture, travel shots, or capturing details from afar, the flexibility is unmatched. The front camera, now 18 megapixels, adds clarity and center stage support, making video calls, vlogs, and selfies smoother and sharper. Features like 4K 120, ProRes RAW, log profiles, and Genlock compatibility make the 17 Pro series not just a smartphone, but a legitimate second camera for serious productions. And then there's battery life. On day one, with setup, transfers, photo tests, and navigation running back to back, the Pro Max still holds until late evening. The smaller Pro lasts through a typical workday without issue. Apple's claims of improved efficiency seem promising. though real-world testing over weeks will tell the full story. Fast charging now supports up to 40W with the new dynamic charger, though this accessory has yet to arrive officially in all regions. Compared to last year's iPhone 16 Pro series, the differences become clear. Sustained performance is stronger, outdoor visibility is genuinely improved, the camera system is more cohesive, and both battery endurance and charging speed feel more practical. The trade-off, however, is weight. The Pro Max now tips the scale at 230 grams, with the Pro sitting at 204 grams. If titanium's raw minimalism was your preference, this aluminum shift may require adjustment. But beyond specs and numbers, the value of an official model cannot be ignored. Warranty, software updates, eSIM compatibility, and seamless integration with local services matter more when hardware changes are this significant. Buying officially distributed units ensures not only peace of mind, but also better long-term resale value. In the end, iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are not just iterations. They are Apple's step toward practicality, cooler in the hand, steadier in performance, brighter outdoors, sharper in selfies, and bolder in identity. Silver whispers elegance, orange shouts personality. Both carry the power to become your daily companion. So the question lingers: do you choose timeless refinement, or do you choose the spark that turns every glance into a statement? With iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, the choice isn't just about features. It's about the story you want to tell.